What will happen to the business scenario after COVID 19? Hi, I'm Vikas Mohan Khosla, author of upcoming book Fall Flat to Stand Tall, keynote speaker, and business owner. A lot of friends keep asking me, what would the business scenario be? And I've been thinking about this for some time, and I always suggest to do a couple of things. The first thing that I always suggest, even in my last video, I suggested don't live in fear. This scenario is not affecting you, your clients, your vendors, or your family. This scenario is affecting everybody all around the world in each and every industry. So once we come out of COVID 19, I think everybody will understand and should understand and respect everybody's position in business. Whether you are a supplier or whether you are a client for somebody, you are both at times for somebody. So you got to be very careful, very understanding of what would happen. There are some businesses which will take off immediately, like a beauty parlor. As soon as beauty parlors are allowed to operate, we will have a great rush at a beauty parlor. I wouldn't go there for a haircut, I don't need one, but there will be a great rush at beauty parlors. There will be a lot of takeaway from restaurants. Though immediately restaurants won't be allowed to operate with people coming in, sitting and dining inside, but a lot of takeaway. Why? Because people have been at home, mostly having home food. They just need a change. The only outing left is to get some food from outside. Cinema halls very badly affected. They will be affected for a longer period of time. Even if the government calls off the COVID 19 quarantine or the lockdown, cinema halls, I do not think, my personal opinion, cinema halls will not begin before September maybe. I think September is the earliest, because the whole idea is not to have huge public gatherings in a closed environment. So cinema halls wouldn't start at all. There are some businesses, packaging industry would take off. Definitely would take off. Automobile industry has been hit before COVID-19 since mid 2019, and I think they will continue that way. But you as an individual, my suggestion would be do not do a big expansion or a big investment immediately. Hold on to your funds for some time. See how the time passes by. Do not get involved in a big expenditure as soon as you come out of COVID 19. Hold on to your funds. That does not mean that you do not pay your suppliers or the vendors or to whom you need to pay, but be very, very careful of having some big expansions in your business. Labor could be a challenge for some time, but depending on how the festival seasons start from, all the festivals in India basically start from 15th August onwards. Whether it's Rakhi, Independence Day, Govinda, Ganpati, everything starts from August onwards. As the festivals pour in, and if the situation is under control, we will get the people back and the industries would not suffer. But yes, whether the COVID expands or whether we have lesser number of cases, May, June and July would be a testing time for the business community. People keep saying 2.5 crore people have lost their jobs or will lose their jobs. And I would tell them is, okay, you're talking about people losing jobs, people economy going down, people are unable to make some money, people are unable to pay their EMIs. So I accept all these things. This is the fact, this is the reality. But if that is the reality and you think that you're going to lose your job in the next 3 months, my question would be, what are you doing about it? If you're so sure that the things are going to be so bad, what are you doing about it? Why can't we start thinking and planning? Why can't we be a bit more positive towards what we want to achieve? 2.5 करोड़ लोग नौकरी खो देंगे, आप उसमें क्या सल्यूशन, क्या समाधान दे सकते हैं? Can you first find a solution for yourself? And if you already know that you lose your job in July, let's start planning something today. You got to be a bit more positive. There are a few people, when I speak to them, इतनी नेगेटिव बात करते हैं कि ऐसा लगता है कि दुनिया का अंत हो गया है, ये कोविड-19 से सब समाप्त हो जाएगा, ह्यूमन रेस इज गोइंग टू गेट extinct from the world. No. If you know there is a challenge, let's fight the challenge. Just saying that there is a challenge won't help. Maybe there is something you can do online. Maybe you can contact a few people. Maybe you can get involved in a small business with some small investments. Maybe you can form a team and work together. There is lots that you can do. So the business scenario will change. Online business will be on the rise. Digital media will be on the rise. A lot of industries, a lot of ways of doing businesses will change. But you are concerned about your industry, so I want you to be concerned about your business. What can you do? What changes can you incorporate? What collaborations or joint ventures you can do? Maybe you cannot work alone. Would it be nice if you can partner with a few of your suppliers? Maybe you can partner with a few clients. Maybe you can enter into a joint venture where the investments are low and the potential of business is high. I may not be from your industry, but there are people who are great consultants. It doesn't take much to call and ask for help. Ask for help from people who are experts in your industry. And there are people who are willing to do this for free also. Speak to people who are more successful than you in your industry, or people who just know more about life and business than you. Speak to them. Take some consultation. Take some guidance. It will always be helpful to see your picture from the other person's perspective. So hold on to your funds. Don't be negative. We have a great future coming up. Be a bit more positive. Think about some joint ventures, of collaborations, of some new business which you can do online with low investments. And things would be great. Some industries will immediately zoom up on an upward curve. Some industries are going to go back. If your industry is the industry which is going to go up, start preparing. If you are from an industry which you think is going to get hit and it's going to go back, start preparing so you can absorb that fall, or you can prepare for another line. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, write to me, call me up, keep in touch with me guys. God bless you and take care.